Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. I am mommy of two living in France. I be Nigeria. Yes, I knocked this my Nigeria broken English. Yes, I be mommy of two. I bring our sister Ogum series come my YouTube channel today. Come to this my table, guys. If you don't have her, do well to have her. And by about our topic, I will talk today. I know we'll talk because of many of my fellow content creators will say because she did support. No, not because of that. I will talk to her as a sister. I will talk to her as a friend. I will talk to her as a colleague. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Once again, my beautiful sister Ogum series and NJ and Sandra and Nelo and Ineka. All of now. Now, welcome to my channel today. Yes, so I appreciate all of now. Okay. My main purpose of doing this video, I want to send my beautiful sister Ogum series message. If you never watch Ogum series, her new upload, please head to her house, go and watch this particular video. One go like me and you watch and play. Then you will tell me that because of Nelo, I know I can't force Nelo to like Ogum, but I get message for my sister Ogum and Nelo. Because not be today be the first time when Nelo do this thing. She do one for her sister house in Eka when Ogum dey there. You know, you'll see Ogum body. She want, party with Nelo. But you they see Nelo na one kind person when she go say person, she go, no, for all of them, and Nelo nice smart pass. No be say smart, but now use all your body to follow person. When he go see you, he go use all your body, go they laugh, he go they hug you. But I dey notice and since when Ogum dey their circle, Nelo always place Ogum. I don't know whether una see her like that. She always plays Ogum, but for me, my look to Nelo, whether she dey look Ogum like say, she dey do like say, I sharp. I know how to, I don't know. Let's dive into the video. Let's watch the video together first. Then we'll download on that topic. I know if you go look for that old video when it happened for Ineka house, when Ogum series visit Ineka, then Nelo visit Ineka also for the house. When Ogum wants to, he still place Ogum. We are woman. Meanwhile, no sabi speak English. You know me say you go school sabi speak full. Nobody fit place me. I thought they give me soup for my plate, and they give me food. And I beg everybody hold their side. I don't want to join anybody, but since I says this as a woman now, the thing they get as they do me, they make me they and this Ogum now woman when still they okay. She hold her side. But I don't know why our sister Nelo always, anytime she see Ogum, her body language, her doings, you will just see her all over her. Let's watch it together before I dive into this topic.
Hello. Hi. We are the back here. Hi, Adese. How you doing?
Hello, my people. I hope now don't watch her. When Nelo they enter, then Ogum say, I see you. I beg you, may not come for me. Now my own, na my own they react. You can carry this video, go your channel, go react, okay? When Nelo they enter the house, Ogum say, I see you, my beautiful sister. Who Ogum know? Who Ogum really they used to? Who Ogum don't meet one-on-one? I believe that Nelo. Then when Nelo enter the stage, Ogum say, I see you. When I go watch that Ogum video, Ogum say, I see you. I don't know. Nelo just do like this. You understand? Nelo just do like this. Then she face another place. Like, maybe not before Ogum she greets. She just put her face for her jar 1, jar 2, jar 3, Then Adeze, when Ogum never meet one-on-one. Maybe because of why Adeze smite it with Ogum. He don't see Ogum for NJ video. She don't see Ogum for Ineka video. But what about Nelo when you don't see Ogum one-on-one from her sister house? He don't shine that it when Adeze shine. I don't know whether I correct or I they make sense. She don't shine it. Not be today first do am. If first do am when you go in Ineka house. He still do am again. Not beside they say Nelo must, accept Ogum. Ogum a beautiful lady. Ogum hold her side. Ogum they do well for her side. You understand? If you know who send person, at least there is a way you go still, just because of your sister, just because of your, it gets the way when you go still do, people go still, people know just know, but Nelo just writes all over her, say, I don't need you. I don't send you. I don't know if you now understand. Like person like man of sabi speak go come. My sister. I know where I welcome, and I know where I not welcome. Yes. I know where I welcome because when you go see Ogum, she really want to party with Nelo. But Nelo no one give her that space at all. For me, waiting me, they assume, and my assumption will never get to me. May I assume first. It's like Nelo, they look Ogum like, oh, you just enter, you think say you smart. You just, that is how I see Nelo. If na because of Sandra na im make Nelo dey place Ogum, let's go Sandra video. If you go Sandra video, you go Nelo video, you go see am say these two people that dey comment to their each other video. Sandra dey comment for Nelo video, Nelo dey comment for Sandra video. Dem dey reply each other. Okay, wetin Ogo come do for inside? E no be say wetin dey call am NJ and Sandra dey be enemy. Sandra, NJ, Nelo, and Sandra, NJ, and Ogum, they be friend before. E no be say three of us will be friend. Then one of us come be enemy. Na come quarrel. E come be automatic. I will come be that person enemy. You just, in fact, you just know how you come to the place because you know what I mean. They carry your matter. If na the type, make they carry your matter go meet the other side. You know, two of now come know how now take shape na friendship. Not because of say okay, because of I don't know. I just dey assume because of say Ogum. E go Sandra house or e dey padi with Sandra. That is why the whole sister, when they fed they shine teeth with am, they just dey against am. E get as e be. We are adults. Nobody dey feed each other. If you are a billionaire, you are a millionaire. You are a millionaire for your pocket. You are not a millionaire for the whole Nigeria, for the whole country, for the whole state when you for come out. Because when I dey watch this my system, when I dey watch am, oh God, not because the paraba when NJ and Sandra they have been na she cause. If na she cause, no na come and talk am. No na come and say na they say when or God now go here na make una because the car as Nelo take dey and you my sister. The car so Nelo take dey place am it's like I know say some people when you just see for the first time your spirit no just catch am because if you see Nelo body language when meet am for Ineka house plus may una tell me for the comment section Nelo and Adeze who supposed to shine teeth with Ogum for that stage because Ogum don meet Nelo one-on-one for ground. Adeze I never see video of Adeze and Ogum dey together shine teeth together or exchange gist and greet. Na the first time when they see Ogum and Adeze they shine teeth together and Adeze act mature and shine the teeth with her well, and rub body with her well. Everybody go their separate way. But my sister Nelo, our beautiful sister, you not just want pretend at all. Omo, as you call my beautiful sister Ogum, you be lady. They don't try for you, my sister. I will tell you the truth. Now, for you to maintain the subscriber, you get the vibe, you get the quality, you the advise socks, how to support. I write her yesterday for our sister Choice live stream. I said the opportunity when you get, if now so many of us when they this street they get her, they no near anybody channel, but you make that opportunity, you still they me go with upcoming YouTuber. You see, that is why I say this life never you say I have arrived. Now, my beautiful sister Ogum, for me, focus on your content. Who shine it with you, shine it with her. Who not shine it with you, I beg my sister, your face, put her for high job because we are woman. You know me say person make chakale, you fat, we don't know, you understand? We are woman. They don't already try for you. For me, now for you to maintain your subscriber, they carry their along. You get the Z, you get the energy. Forget all those I want to do one. Person do birthday. I know say like me, I know sabi give person shout out for birthday. I know sabi sing for person for birthday. But there is a lot of things when, in fact, when we view now for distance, there is a lot of things when you don't tire. When we say that this family they don't need you again, they don't resend you. Please, my beautiful sister, if na me be you self, that Nelo part when you attach to your video, I go cut and comot. People like us, we grow now. I see they get 100 view. I see they get 50 view. Talk of you when you don't even, you they get 1,000. If I they get 1,000 from one of my video, every time I upload video, I be mama now. I beg my sister, hold your side, maintain your side, romance your side. Who shine teeth with you? Shine teeth with her. Who carry your face, chakan? Carry your. All of us, we are women on our own. Everybody can like you. Everybody can welcome you. And everybody can accept you. Number one, Nelo no want see you for her side. My beautiful sister, Ogum, hold your side. Maintain your subscriber. And if you say the family, they not try. They try. They share you out. They give you shout out. And that man, they say, Ineka, your godmother. Right from time Ineka rejects. He said she not be your godmother. Yes, Sandra, your son. Na Sandra, God's son. That one I know. You and Sandra, I don't know because of if true when they do business, I be when they go conference when Sandra say they always notice this woman, they talk. Now there you and Sandra, not today you and Sandra. And they follow na video. For me, I they make this video to tell you, say, hold your side strong. Some people they go help you. You want try dey loyal to them. They no need that. Those kind of people, take away there. Some people they help you. You they loyal to them, and then still they respect you for that loyal. Now those kind of thing ain't good. Not be say you help me and they loyal to you, then you come over the rude me. I they place you. That one are true. Then when some people they even help them, they don't even know appreciation, they don't know how to appreciate. For me, I can't say you don't appreciate those family. You appreciate them with all your body. Now birthday they do, you cook your day there. What did those people want to do? So te Ineka open mouth say, when you say, I they call my bestie, she say, now I do that video, I delete her. Now I buy Fox. She they pick who her might pick, or who be her best. Best they get best. Ah, my sister. I know say people like some of now, people like, some people read they. Not be say na enemy you will keep. Not be enemy. You see them, you greet them. Like me, if I greet you one, I say not reply me. Second, you not reply me. My greet, it dey expensive to me. It's so special to me. I not be the type when you just know how to greet. Then I can't greet you, can't ignore me. Ha! You go greet me back before I go start to greet you. We are woman. I know they try to talk. Now Nelo, she not just want you for her side. I understand. But maybe you just accept her. Pick your raise. Maintain your subscriber. They give your subscriber back to back. If God said you will make her through this YouTube street, you will make it. And that's why I take this YouTube street. I'm not here to, if God said I must make it, I must make it. For me, I'm not saying that because of Sandra. If Sandra and NJ not come be friend, hey, wait to come concern. If now you will not be Sandra friend, or you not be NJ friend, Sandra, NJ, they will keep my list with their self. Let tell ourselves the truth. No. 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 Why those two people, they want to use your head? You be adult. You reach where you reach. You enter any place where you want reach. Now wait, anyone when you not, oh God, as it just be me. The thing, it make me one kind. Say, which thing be this? I say, me one know who sabi speak English. Now one sabi. And the Nelo sit talk and say, be yourself. Her last video, I never do that video. My sister, house when you know for welcome, don't force yourself there. They don't help you. We see and say in fact, you appreciate them. For now, focus. Focus on your content. Focus on your content. No worry. One day, that view when they look for, you go come. Just look and say, the view when you they get, now the view, now the people when you really like you, and the one when YouTube see the add to it. Take it. Small, graduate by graduate, you will get there. The Nelo says, she see the suffer the view. The NJ says, she see the suffer the view. If you look their subscriber, it go tell you. Sandra just knew put to bed. Sandra just knew, na pregnant woman, and she just knew put to bed. You know, compare yourself with you when you never ever do pregnant. Do you understand? Maintain your side. Don't use your body, because I know they like when woman like me, they use the body to they beg fellow woman. That one, and for what? I say me one of us, I be speaking English. I know if I greet you, and you don't answer me well, or you don't answer me at all, my greeting, is so special to me. If I see you, I will wait till you greet me. If you don't greet me, I know they see you. Yes, I know they see you. Except the elderly, I know the stage of people when the courts come out. My people, you drop your comment in the comment section. That video of Nelo and Ogo una watch. May una tell me what you una think about it. Now this one I get to talk. I not come here to blast anybody. I not come here to join anybody. I just want to tell Ogom, say, make she hold her side. Make she upload her content. Make she not use her body to they beg a fellow woman. For me, and they look and say she they use her body to they beg Nelo. Yes. It not make sense for me. Hold your side. You get the vibe. You get everything. You'll get there. And my beautiful sister Nelo, if you not just send text, at least see put that respect. The word is see. The word they wash. Still pretend by put, by great, shine it with her. And there's when she don't know for anywhere, now she can shine it. You, when you don't meet your sister, they don't eat the same plate. You don't ever shine it. Wait till you collect anything when it's so special to you. Let me know, because I'll tag you. I will tag you. Sandra and Sandra, you they comment for Sandra, comment section. I don't understand. I don't really understand this. My people, and this one I say me, I just did drop for my I get channel. I not do want to please anybody. I don't want to please my own. If you don't like her, okay. If you see me next time, no greet me. Carry your greet to go. If you still like her, if you see me next time, greet me. Now bye. When give me thumbs up. If you not like my video, make subscribe so that now they come watch. I'll see you in my next video. I'm loyal. I appreciate all my rates on me. If I don't appreciate one, I will see I got. Now who they be? Now who they see? Now who they me? I'm not speaking English. You know me say it's a bit English. When is your English? I will place you. I know my side. I know my side, and I respect myself.
Nothing to discuss, cause I they win by default and without